Yes, absolutely right, Prashant. Number 2 game, they won all of sixes, and that boosted the confidence of the captain. And then he unleashed onto the bowlers. Another misfield. Will this one get to the fence? Oh,
Straight up. That has to be the first one. And the wicket keeper. We've seen some good. Bring you one thing to your notice. But before that, that's once again up in the air. And that's slowly racing away to the franchise cricket owners. The talent here is certainly there. And is that another?
इस समय में उनको एहसास हुआ कि कैच उनकी तरफ आ रहा है, डाइव लगाए और ये लीजिए धीमे हाथ से खेला, एक रन यहाँ पर आसानी से पूरा कर लेंगे। डायरेक्ट हिट वो हमेशा यादगार रहती है। ये शॉट बड़ा जबरदस्त है। पिछले मुकाबले में इसी तरह से
is a match observer. Oh, nicely played it by opening the face. Even in states outside, and that's another big hit. All right, there's no stop.
ताकि जब ऋषिकेश और आयुष मात्रा है तब ज्यादा ओवर ना हो। ये हवा में जरूर गेंद थी पर लेकिन दो फील्डर के बीच 3 विकेट के नुकसान पे और कप्तान का ये जबरदस्त शॉट। सोचने की कोई निष्ठा भी तो है। ये यहां पर हवा में है गेंद। चलिए कप्तान को किया, ये खराब गेंद है। अभी अभी तो आए ये लेग शॉट जबरदस्त है, मिल जाएगा यहां पर। एक और अच्छा शॉट, एक और बार क्या ढूंढा है, इसलिए गेंदबाज ने कोशिश नहीं की डायरेक्ट हिट की। इस गेंद को स्लॉक कर दिया है।
Local cricketers who are certainly gonna be big stars, and that's a big appeal. The finger has gone up as well. Oh, stepping down the wicket, beautiful looking stroke through the gates of cover. Two important batters back in the dugout. They'll have to find a way to build a partnership, and that's a great shot. Right, first ball of the 15th over, and that's been hammered away. Good numbers here, 43 of 25. This time plays it towards the cover. So Hrishikesh has been a part of all the games where they've got some great runs, and that's another bang strokes. Oh, hits it in the air and gets it long enough.
ये जैसे ही आते दूसरे बल्लेबाज भी तेजी से रन बनाते हैं। इन्होंने गेंद को ड्रैग किया है। ये तो चलिए 61 पे पारी समा। ये इस प्रकार से विकेटकीपर बल्लेबाज जैनील बोल्ड हुए और ये जबरदस्त प्रहार। लो फुल टॉस, ये बल्लेबाज पडियार सर काफी खुश होंगे यहां पर कि बल्लेबाज क्या लाजवाब बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं। ये लीजिए कलाई का उपयोग तो यहां पर भी किया। गेंद काफी ऊंची गई है लेकिन फील्डर से दूर भी गई है। ये फ्लैट भी जीती टीम। ये शॉट कहां तक जाएगा, वाह। चलिए मिस टाइम शॉट है। ओ क्या कमाल का कैच, भी आ रहे थे कैच के लिए, फिर देखा कि गेंदबाज स्वयं आ रहे, रुक गए और फिर क्या बढ़िया जजमेंट और बढ़िया गेंदबाज प्रभाकर। पहली गेंद अंदरूनी किनारा और वैभव को गेंद। एक और अच्छी गेंद, बहुत अच्छी सोच रही है इनकी। चलिए यार रन आउट हो जाएंगे। इतनी एक और अच्छी गेंद, एक और वाइड इश्यू और कर जिस पे 2 की मांग कर रहे हैं, यहां पर रन आउट हो सकते हैं। अब की बार योगेश रन आउट हो जाएंगे। चलिए 200 से पहले रोक लिया इस टीम को। 20 ओवर में
Oh, hits it in the air, and that will be the first one. Last ball of the over, and he gets his man once again. Once again, JB Shah departs in the very first over. And Aditya on strike now. Oh, hits it right. Oh, that's been far from the batting unit. Oh, that's gone. That's gone. Oh, chipped it in the air, catches a call, and that's going to be a dolly for the fielder. For the team. Oh, that's in the air. Is that one more? Same fielder. Oh, beautiful punch. Oh, what a shot. First ball catches a cry, and that's been taken. Certainly in the driving seat now, team Mo Mirabai in the lines. Cuts it beautifully. Gets away from the...
we can do this. Oh, that's just gone past the first slip. Create that belief in the mind of Rahul. We can do it. That is another 6. Oh, what a connection. Bye-bye, Tata, see you. He goes big. The connection is so sweet. And the result is all. And what a connection. And what a... That's not timed that well, but still it will travel. And he puts this one over long on. Longest one. The ball is gone out of the park. Wrist coming into the play, and the ball is over. Missed time shot. And taken. The hope, which luckily that this kind of confusion did not happen when Ayush hit the ball in the air. But Siddha is... Looks like he's going to get out. Trying something different. Oh, the wicketkeeper couldn't collect the ball. Fielder has put in the downs of boys. Looking for the big one. Wicketkeeper once they will not able to collect the ball. And they're coming back for a say. Oh! The sound is so sweet. Is this going in the hands? Yes, it is, but it's... That's in the air, should be taken. And this time, Tanush. He's got this one.
2 good overs for both the teams. Will be an advantage, and that's a good shot. And he splits the gap very well, Rahul.
Has he got him? They've gone upstairs.
This is a very fine match. Hits it across. Gets one boundaries of the first 2 balls. Oh, fires one wider to the batsman, but that is done the work with the bat. Hrishikesh on 2 games, and that's gone through. That's not so great. Oh, stepping down the wicket, just opening the face of the bat. Oh, goes for the big one. Balls. 19 of 9. Oh, gets back in the crease, and that's been the money. First ball of the 20th coming. A call for a single. Direct hit, he gets it. A dot to get to the 50 mark and to get the job done for the side. Titan to be the hero for Team Titans. Oh, goes for the big hit. Seals the game. under pressure. Remember balls that he has got with 7 sixes. Is one more. Is thoroughly entertaining a game of cricket. 30 runs for Rishikesh, and in the second innings, Ayush Varthak and Rahul have been simply